All right, I'm going to talk to you real quickly about the slope of parallel and perpendicular lines. So here in this example, we have a green line and we have a blue line. And these two lines are parallel to each other because they run side by side and they're never going to intersect. So they are parallel to each other. Well, if we look at the green line, and I'm just looking at the green line, the slope is rise over run. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 over negative 3, which is equal to negative 1. So the slope of the green line is negative 1. And again, the reason it's negative 3, the reason the bottom is negative 3 is because I go up 3, which is positive 3. But because I'm going to the left, that's negative. So that's why that's negative. And you can also tell by looking that because the line is going down, that it has a negative slope. All right, so now let's look at the blue line, and I'm going between the two yellow dots just to show you that those are the 2 points that I'm using. The rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the run is negative 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 over negative 4 is negative 1. So the slope of lines when they are parallel is the same. This slope is negative 1, and this slope is negative 1. So because they have the same slope, that is proof that these two lines are parallel. Now, what I can also do is I can look at these two lines, the blue line and the green line. They are perpendicular to each other. And perpendicular means to intersect and form a right angle. So these two lines, even though it's not identified here, these two lines form and make a right angle. The way that I can prove it is I can look at the slope. So the slope of the green line is I go up 2 and I go to the left 1. So that slope is negative 2 over 1, or you could say 2 over negative 1. That's probably how I should have written it, 2 and then over negative 1. But it's the same thing. It's still negative. It's going down. The slope of the blue line is I go up 1 and then I go to the right 2. So the slope of the blue line is 1/2. Well, if you look at these two slopes, one is negative 2 over 1. The other one is 1 over 2. They are reciprocals. This one is a negative, the blue line, the blue slope is a negative reciprocal of the green line. So perpendicular lines have negative reciprocal slopes. You flip it, add a negative, that's the slope of the perpendicular line. Another thing you can look at is if I take these two slopes, I've got negative 2 over 1 times 1 over 2. When I multiply them together, negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. 1 times 2 is 2. And that simplifies to negative 1. So the product of two perpendicular lines, the product of their slopes is going to equal negative 1.